What is the Martingale strategy? You may have already heard of the Martingale strategy. This strategy has been traditionally used in some speculative games, such as the high card wins game. For instance, if you lose in one round of the game, you may double your bets in the next round until you win. Huobi's Martingale Bot puts the essential principle of this strategy into play by allowing users to buy downloads and then sell out in one go. In this strategy, more funds will be used to buy in at each price dip to average down the holding cost. When using Huobi's Martingale Bot, you will need to decide on the total funds you want to invest and the corresponding parameters. For example, you can set the bot to buy in at a volume scale of 2 every time the price drops by 1% and take profit at 3% yield. When this parameter is set, your bot will buy in every time the price falls by 1%, and the amount of each purchase is the double of the previous amount. For example, if the underlying price is $100 and your initial investment is $10, then the Martingale Bot will buy in with $20, $40, and $80 when the price drops to $99, $98, and $97 respectively. Assuming the first 3 trades ended in losses, then your average holding cost can be easily calculated as 100 times 10 plus 99 times 20 plus 98 times 40 plus 97 times 80 over 10 plus 20 plus 40 plus 80 equals 97.73, which means that you will break even when the underlying price rises to $97.73. And when the price rises to $100.66, the bot will take profit at 3% yield and end the strategy. That is why the Martingale strategy is so fascinating. As long as you have chosen a quality underlying asset with mild price volatility, the Martingale Bot strategy is profitable once the price rebounds, even allowing you to earn a profit in a bear market. Huobi Martingale Bot.